Penly versus Notability. Which note-taking app should you choose? Let's break it down. Penly is perfect for digital planning and note-taking. It lets you import PDFs, add hyperlinks, stickers, vector shapes, and even convert handwriting to text. Plus, you can organize your notes just like a real planner, making it ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who loves to plan ahead. Penly currently has a 3.9 out of 5 rating on the Google Play Store. That means most users are happy with it, especially Android tablet users. Let's move to Notability. Notability is a top note-taking app for iOS and macOS, popular among students and professionals. It offers smooth handwriting, PDF annotation, and audio recording, with excellent Apple Pencil support. Currently, Notability has a 4.7 out of 5 rating on the Apple Store. That means most users are happy with it, especially Android tablet users. Let's see who takes the crown in this head-to-head comparison. Penly is all about digital planning, with PDF annotation, stickers, hyperlinks, and a clean Android interface. Notability goes further, offering handwriting, typing, audio sync, and even AI tools for note summaries and quizzes, built for learning and multitasking. UI-wise, Penly feels traditional but simple. Notability has a sleek Apple-style layout with split screen and presentation mode. In terms of cost, Penly is a one-time purchase. Notability starts free but needs a yearly subscription for full features. Penly works only on Android. Notability supports iPhone, iPad, and Mac with seamless iCloud syncing. Final verdict. If you're an Android user who loves planning, go with Penly. But if you want smart, study-ready tools on Apple devices, choose Notability. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.